In today's video, I am going to show you how to use a launch pad like the one seen here. Alright, so to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a blueprint class, then an actor, and then just name this jump pad or whatever you would like. Once that's open, you are going to want to create a box collision, and you are also going to want to create a static mesh, and the static mesh is going to be the platform which we are going to be launched off of. So just adjust this accordingly to what you specifically want. I'm just going to size this down a little bit better for our collision box here. And what's basically is going to be happening is when our character walks into the collision box, it's going to be activated and our character is going to be propelled forward. Once that's done, go to the event graph and you're going to want to right click on the box, add event, and then on begin overlap. From here, you are also going to want to get player character. And off of the return value, you are going to want to launch character, and then just simply connect this into your overlap box. Now is when we actually begin to calculate the velocity for our character. To do that, what you're going to do is you're going to come down, you're going to get actor forward vector, and what you're going to do is you're going to make two variables which are going to be floats. The first one is going to be named distance, and for the next one here, you are going to want to name this height jump, and you're going to want to set the values of these both to 1000 or whatever you want. Specifically, I find that 1000 fits the best for this scenario. So now off the return value, what you're going to do is you're going to do vector times a float, and you are going to bring your distance in for x. Once that's done, you're going to want to do a make vector node vector like such, and then what you're going to do is you are going to bring in your jump height for z. And so let's just kind of move this over here real quick. Now what you're going to do is you're going to create a vector plus a vector, and you're going to bring in your return value, and you are also going to bring in your multiplication value here as well. And then this is just simply going to be connecting into your launch velocity, as that is your logic. And then just compile and save. So now if I just drag in our blueprint and place it into our world, when I click play and walk over the box collision, you can see our character is launched into the air.